Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
It's been a heck of a ride. Riding almost about 12 hours through some of the most scenic places on earth. So it's been loaded with experience, with discovery, with pain, lots of pain, but also a lot of beautiful moments too. So and that's what life is.
Hey guys, how you doing? Yes, I've got an update for you on Kunle Adeyanju. Yes, the biker man. Yes, that is driving all the way from London down to Nigeria. Finally, he's in Nigeria. Yes, he arrived yesterday, 29th of May, as promised that he's going to come to Nigeria. So he was welcomed by friends, well-wishers, fans, and everybody. So everybody was so happy for him that he could skate through all the jungle in Africa. We bless the name of the Lord that finally is in town. And now another twist to this development is, the Ivorian lady, Zainab. The Ivorian lady Zainab that came all the way from Ivory Coast to welcome him. She too, she came down to Nigeria just to welcome Kunle Adeyanju. And another twist to the story now is that Kunle Adeyanju be like say, he like am. Because he confessed that yes, he likes her, and then he's confused if he should talk to her and ask her hand in marriage. So he's hoping that she's going to oblige him. She's going to be like, okay, oh yeah, here's my finger, put your ring. Anyway, there have been some reactions about that development because Nigerians now waiting our eyes to see we will no go talk. I never see am. Nigerians don dey talk say, hey, one ABDK, he said, you just dey land na woman matter na im hold you fear my gender. If you see woman you no fear us. Women fear us. Another person, Mark Julius, say, so it's because of Zainab you ride Okada from London to Lagos. Waiting. Now it's love now. Love can make you do unimaginable, crazy, in fact, something you never thought you can do. So that's love for you. So that's it about Kunle Adeyanju, the biker guy all the way from London. So he's back